Okay, Matt, the mortgage guy here. Wanted to make a quick video because I'm getting tons of questions regarding forbearance. So I want to let you know what I know and some information I have on forbearance, how it affects your ability to refinance. Got tons of past clients, got tons of friends reaching out to me, entered forbearance for one reason or another. First off, if you entered forbearance and you needed to do this or you wanted to do it because you thought you might run into financial issues down the road, I totally understand. And I think what I'm going to share today is good news when it comes to forbearance and your ability to refinance when you come out of forbearance. So this is the guidance that I heard of what the lenders are going to do regarding people coming out of forbearance. If you entered forbearance for 3 months and you're coming out and your option is to, you know what, I didn't have a financial disaster, I'm working full time, I'm good to go, I put that money in a side account, I want to pay it and get current. If you do that, you can immediately refinance. That's the option where you just make up all your past due payments, you don't do anything else but get current and you're good to go. In that scenario, you're good to refinance right away. In the more common scenario where you reach out and you say, okay, I'm exiting forbearance, I'm gonna make this next payment on July 1st, but what I owe is gonna be added to the back of my loan. And if you want my opinion on the different things you can do with spreading it out over the next 12 payments or doing something else, adding it to the back is by far, from what I've seen, the best way to do it, because they're doing this. Everyone I've asked, when they tell me they're in forbearance and they've talked to their servicer, is saying that it's no interest. It's gonna be a lump sum payment due at the end, which, let's be honest, it's gonna be a refinance or a sale a lot sooner than it's gonna be the 27 years from now when you're entering the end of that loan. Not many people get there. Something happens in the meantime. So whatever's owed, $5,000, interest free until you pay off your loan. And so in that case, you missed 3 payments, you owe them $5,000, you're putting it on the back of the loan. Your first payment coming out is July 1st. You've got to make July, August, and September. After 3 months payments are made, you'll be eligible to refinance. So I think this is good news. There was a lot of talk in the lending world that if you entered forbearance, you might have to wait 12 months to be eligible for refinance. And so the first part of good news is that that's only 3 months coming out of forbearance. The second part of it that's good news, in my opinion, is that rates are more than likely gonna still be low 3 months from now, 6 months from now. So you're not gonna miss out on a low interest rate environment where all your friends are getting 2.9% 30-year fixed loans. Those are gonna be available for you. So that is just some information I wanted to share. I've also got clients talking to me that their servicer is mentioning modifications. On a call I was on this morning with a bunch of folks in the mortgage industry, what had been talked about, or at least guidance that these professionals had heard, was that modification is going to be treated the same as leaving forbearance and owing something at the end, where once you've received that modification agreement, whatever it is, you're going to be able to make 3 payments of that modification, then be eligible for refinance. So I don't know what these modifications are going to look like. I'm trying to gather info. I'm trying to talk to as many people as I can who are in active forbearance, left forbearance, have talked to whoever the servicer is. I've got tons of different info from different lenders, different banks, and everybody I talk to on this, I want to get as much information as I can so I can share it, help other people out hopefully. So if you have questions about forbearance, or if you're in forbearance, leaving forbearance, and you've got information you can share with me, I'd be happy to hear it.